Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be painting the lips of the white girl. If this is your first time watching my video, I would advise you watch start from the first part of this video. All the videos are in a playlist on my channel. Just click on my channel and check for my playlist. Also, if you have been here from the start, this is the final part. Thank you for staying till the end. And in this part, we'll be learning how to paint the lips. The first thing I did was to create a base layer for the lips. While creating this base layer, you have to keep in mind to get your values right, put the midtone in the right places and dark tone in the right places. Though the lips is not smooth, but then for our base layer, we are going to apply our total values and blend them right. After blending them, then we'll go ahead to add the dark tones. Add the dark tones and blend them. After that, I added the highlight. After the highlight, I add to put the dark tones again and also do the dark mid part of the lips. Also, I created the lines of the eyelashes with my liner brushes. To create this, you need a brush that is very tiny. You could create one by yourself or probably get one from an art store, a liner brush that is very slim, so that you don't have two big lines for your eyelashes. After that, I also add details to the hair. What do you think about this process? Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see more tutorials like this. So if this video have been so helpful, don't forget to share so that it can reach more people, and also like this video. Thanks for joining from beginning to the end, and if you are new here, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, bye.